In this second part of the video, we're going to shape the main form of the screwdriver's body using the Boolean Difference command. We'll also create the inner cavity using the same logic. Next, we'll soften the edges of the body with a 1 mm fillet using the Fillet Edge command under the solid menu. After that, we'll extrude the body to the length specified in the technical drawing. Once the extrusion is complete, we'll move to the tip area. Here, we'll draw several circular sections according to their positions in the technical drawing and connect them using the Loft command with the straight profiles option enabled. Then, to form the flat tip of the screwdriver, we'll use the wire cut command. For this step, we'll draw a rectangle at the center of the circular tip, 2 mm wide and 7 mm high, and align it so that it intersects the circle correctly. Finally, by applying the wire cut along that rectangle, the flathead tip of our screwdriver will be complete.